Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you no longer need one of your AirTalk wireless lines, switch devices, or simply want to remove service from a certain number, the process may feel a little confusing at first. Sometimes people are unsure whether the line can be cancelled online, while other times they worry about affecting the rest of the account accidentally. Since AirTalk wireless accounts can include active service details and device connections, understanding the right way to remove a line can help avoid unnecessary confusion. The good part is that once you know where to check and what information to review, cancelling an AirTalk wireless line usually becomes much easier. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to cancel an AirTalk wireless line. Try these. Step 1. Sign into the AirTalk wireless account before making any service changes. Step 2. Locate the active AirTalk wireless line you no longer want to keep. Step 3. Review account settings connected to the AirTalk wireless line carefully. Step 4. Contact or access support options linked with the AirTalk wireless account if required. Step 5. Confirm cancellation details for the AirTalk wireless line before finishing the request. Step 6. Recheck the AirTalk wireless account and confirm the selected line no longer stays active.